Drake was really cool. We actually were at the Celebrity All-Star game, and we were sitting in the tunnel because we got to go in and out through the tunnel. So a bunch of people like Kevin Hart walked by, and then Drake and his whole like entourage came. I was like, Drake, I'm a huge fan, let me grab a selfie. And then I grabbed the selfie. It was pretty quick, but he was a really nice guy, and definitely so stoked on meeting him. It was so cool. Kids' Choice was awesome, had a great time on the carpet. It was definitely awesome, got to meet a lot of cool new people, and we had good seats and just enjoyed it. It was fun. This next couple months, my EP's out all day, pushing that. Pop's on Radio Disney, and yeah, we're just getting new music. We're getting in with some great producers like Jermaine, and excited for the new music. I want to say, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. You guys are the best. Stay awesome, and I love you all. Thank you so much. You're so beautiful now. YSB now. Thank you guys. Peace.